In this video, you'll learn how to create vertical dividers in Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to visually separate content on your pages, enhancing organization and readability. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your workspace. Once you are in, you will be presented with your existing pages and options to create new content. Next, create a new page by clicking on the button labeled Add a New Page. This action will open a blank workspace for you to begin customizing your content. You will notice a new page appears on the left sidebar ready for your input. After that, click on the title area of the new page. This section allows you to define what your page is about. Typing your title here is essential as it sets the context for the content that follows. Once you have entered your title, click on a blank space on the page. This action will ensure that you are ready to enter a command that will help you create the vertical divider you desire. You should see a cursor blinking, indicating that you can start typing. Type in /quote in the blank space. This command is a shortcut that Notion recognizes for creating a quote block. As you type, you will see a drop-down menu appear with various options that match your input. Click on the quote option from the drop-down menu. This action will insert a quote block into your page, which you will modify to create a vertical line. You will notice that the quote block is visually distinct from regular text. Next, click on the empty quote that has been created. This allows you to edit the content within the quote block. The quote block now appears ready for you to adjust its dimensions. Hold the Shift key and press Enter to extend the quote block vertically. This step is crucial as it determines the length of your vertical divider. You should aim to make it as long as necessary to suit your page layout. Press Enter to finalize the height of the quote block. After that, you will see a set of 6 dots which indicate that you can move or adjust the block's position. Click on these dots to enable dragging. Drag the quote block to the desired position on your page. You can place it between sections of text or alongside other content to create a clear visual separation. The placement of this divider can significantly enhance the overall layout of your page. Finally, click on a blank area of the page to deselect the quote block. You can now type in a paragraph or add more elements to your page. The vertical divider will remain in place, providing the structure you aim for. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.